got it. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
And you are joined with Eliko and Dark Wolf for a
Hello.
for a very random run through as we play the game Call of
This is our
Duty
documentary walkthrough, playthrough, animation of Call of Duty.
Modern Warfare 2. Yes, exactly.
2. Yes, I agree completely.
Yes, we are going to play some hardcore team deathmatch. Yes. And if you're wondering why, I have to go onto game chat. Oh, I had to go into game chat, sorry.
And there we have it, on to the old game chat.
Well, if you are wondering why we are talking like this, it is because I am very inspired by the person from Machinima who does the Masters Challenge. That is it. Yes. Anyway, we are back and we are going to
Moving swiftly on.
yes, moving
Sorry about
moving
that.
swiftly
Minor
on.
interruption.
Stupid interruption. I was just explaining why we are talking like this. We got it from good, very good inspiration from Machinima. Yes. Machinima. Yes. Anywho, we are.
Ow! No, don't shoot at me. I'm a good person.
Ow!
Please leave me out of this.
Okay. Okay, the pain.
Quite possibly the worst match I could put on.
Exactly. I am sorry, Tarquin. Why did I call you Tarquin? I'm sorry, Richard. I will sort that out later. If only I could control the map.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness. Holy shit, there's someone there. I knew it, but he was behind me. I'm going to have my drink, which is... This show is sponsored by the good old soda drink of Pepsi. Yes. I am drinking it as we speak. Ah, that is very nice. Anywho.
You can...
Yes, that is right. Soldiers in Iraq, do stop to drink some Pepsi now and then.
I can see you.
Oh God, where is he?
Hello.
Oh my God, I can't see. What is this? What is this master's trickery? Teabag.
I saved him. Look at this man here.
Oh God, what the hell?
I killed him as well. Oh my.
But you didn't save me, did you? Oh my goodness.
No. Well, it's not my fault. You are very good.
Oh, that is very cheap.
Well, the true person.
I'm sorry.
Enemy care package incoming.
Oh, there you are. Good. You bastard, King Keitha XXX9. You flick. You took my kill. The one I was looking for.
I have UAV. Look at it. It's so pretty in the top corner.
Oh yes.
That is all down to me. That is my UAV.
I think you're lying, to be honest. If only it could prove.
Honestly,
Hiding behind bins and buildings. Ugh. How retarded. Oh my God, my shot is fail. Especially when I'm panicking. There was 3 people, I could not see them, but they could see me. So I panicked. It is the natural thing to do. Okay, where is he? There he is. What the hell? Thank you.
Oh my goodness, I died again.
By a car. Ah.
I died by a computer.
Oh, you got killed by a Volvo.
A Volvo. What? Why have I suddenly gone Irish? What? Why? What's going on with my accent? I wonder if I'm hot. Now I'm Irish.
Okay, go back. I don't think this suits. Don't think this suits the documentary we are talking about. If we were talking about the Irish, maybe, but we are not. So, if you can do a bit of a cough and get your voice back. Dead. What the hell?
Hello. Yes.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, I've got so for fuck's sake, someone get rid of that helicopter, please.
Oh, I have cold-blooded on, so I am like a snake in the glass.
the guy there. He's going to kill you.
Stab!
Doesn't care.
What the hell? I stabbed
Kill.
him.
I told you. I told you.
No,
you didn't listen.
I did listen.
You should have listened.
I did listen.
You never listened
I
to me.
saw him.
No. No.
I
Shut
saw.
up.
I
Let
saw.
me speak for once. No, I don't care. Let me speak.
I saw.
I forgotten what I was going to say.
Oh, okay.
I've got a big gun.
You do.
And I'm not
Darkwing, I
talking
think
about
your
the game.
penis is out of the equation, and we are doing a documentary about a game, which is not really a documentary much, because we are not really reviewing or talking about anything that is relevant.
We should. I think we should. We should do a private thing and review it.
Well, I don't. Or do you want to review the game now? A brief one, because we are already 5 minutes into the video. And I only have 10 minutes of video.
Well, I meant like after, and then we do it on a private little party and review the game.
Okay, yes, we can review. Yes, we will try it on a video, which will be soon after this one. You can look for it on my channel, YouTube.
Yes, and it won't be on mine because I don't know how to do it. Alright, guys.
Oh, I know what you mean. The same person killed us both. Revenge will be taken.
Where is this mother?
I think he is. Oh, what is this lag?
I'm lagging.
Oh, he's there.
lagging through.
He's down there. Oh
my
my goodness, not again.
I flew through.
What is this? Trickery. Trickery of a knobhead behind a red car. Oh, wow. Wow. That was a pretty good shot.
I spawned and died.
Oh my good giddy god. I'm going to throw a grenade down there where I think... Oh my god, who is that? It was you. I couldn't see him. He was like a tea bag. Popping up and down.
Oh, pardon
Enemy
me,
care
I
package
just...
incoming.
Oh, I couldn't tell, so it doesn't really matter.
that's okay.
That will suffice.
Yeah, I shouldn't have even said anything. I feel quite embarrassed now.
Oh well. It's okay, darling.
Enemy emergency airdrop incoming.
Or Richard. I will call you Richard.
Oh, shit.
Oh my god, what is that? Oh. Right, well, we are already 8 minutes,
right.
well, nearly 8 minutes into the video, and I think everyone probably has left by now. Their attention span must have gone. If anyone is still watching up to this point, please tell me. I want to know. I want to know if you
Why
find...
the fucking hell are you still watching?
Yeah.
There's much more fascinating things on
No.
the internet.
I appreciate the fact that they're still watching. I just want to know if they actually do find it interesting and if they want more. So YouTube, if you do want more, please put a comment and rate my video and subscribe if you wish. It is up to you.
Subscribe.
Yes, yeah.
Enemy UAV online.
He's left it.
UAV online.
This is what we do to people with children.
UAV online.
I see you.
Hi.
Ow.
I'm behind you. Oh. Will
Oh.
got last killed.
Oh, let's have a look at it last kill, and then we will end the video where we have 1 minute left. Okay.
Oh, that is me running past.
Oh, look at him.
Shot.
Look at him run. That was Matrix. Wow. Look at 6 to 16, 5 to 16. Oh my god.
It's our documentary on not how to take Call of Duty.
Yes. I will talk. We will make a further video. Yes.
This video will contain our review of Call of Duty.
We had a random laugh. I don't know who that was. Anyway. Yes. I'm going to end the video now.
Oh, are we still on the video? Oh, we're on the video still.
Yeah, we're not now.